Bafowethu sanibonani. Umhla ka-25 December namhlanje. Lwafika losuku kade lwalindiwe ngabantu abaningi abachiya-chiyene. iChristmas namhlanje. Sinifisela uKhisimusi omuhle bafowethu indawo zonke. Siyanifisela ukujabula nokuphepha nakho konke nje nisifisela khona. Abantu baphephe bathandane babe safe bajabule bazibheke impilo yeza isasekhona nakusasa la next year la nini. Yabo bajabule nje responsibly. Baspend isikhathi nemindeni yabo because abanye they stay away from their families for a long time. Uthola umuntu uyasebenza unyaka wonke and all those other things. And all that. Yeah, but anyway, afisa nje ke sixoxe kancane bathi ngempilo nje. Impilo I think isifundise ukuthi isikakhulukazi mina imfundise ukuthi ayiyona lento engangicabanga ukuthi iyo. Effect nje yokuqala emfundise yona. Okwesibili impilo idinga ukuthi ubezazi ukuthi wena umele ini in this life. Yabo. Because isikhathi esiningi because into esiphilelayo sonke esifisayo futhi sifisa ukuphila siphumelele siye phambili ngempilo. But iningi lethu libambekile impilo ayiphambili and all those things. But into ebalulekileyo ukuthi kufuneka si-understand sikwazi ukutracker sibuyele emuva sibone ukuthi yini esibambayo. Kanti sabonakala singayi phambili abanye besiya yini esibambayo. Yabo. So ngifisa ukuthi sithinte nje izinto ezimbili. Zizoba mbili if zingekho ntathu. Bafowethu kunento le enhluphayo mina and this thing is very concerning. Kunenkolelo esinayo njengabantu abamnyama ethi yona umuntu mayephumelela uthwele unjani and all that. Leyo nto isincisha ithuba lokufunda. Because the time you start excusing, you deny yourself an opportunity to learn. Because lo buyabuhle usobusenzakala kuleli side. Udinga into wrong ukuthi ubungcolise so that you ignore that beauty oyibonayo and all those things. Yabo. So of which into engekhoyo vele yona le into ukuthiwa umuntu uyathwala and all that. Hayi mina ngibona ngathi into engaphiliyo. Ngoba kunenkolelo ethi isebantwini nje you can sleep poor and wake up rich ngoba uhambe wabona ugogo othile noma umkhulu othile wakunika into. Akulona iqiniso leyo nto leyo. Mina mayekhona othi yena uyakwenza lokho. Singabheja imali iphathwe nguwe mina. Ngimnikeze umuntu lo wathi yena amenzele. Engamenzela imali yahlala kuye khona ngani. Mayengamenzelanga leyo nto ukuthiwa alale phuka kusasevuke le million. Imali iza ngakimi imengwinayo. Vele ngiyabe ngikwathi izenzawina vele ngoba into engekhoyo. Definitely. Ayikho into enjalo bafowethu. Impilo iyakhiwa. Stina, and then you'll see the results. Because sakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi abantu bathi imali yaphephuka and all those things. Okuyi excuse isikhathi esiningi ngoba saveza ukuthi kuyenzeka kube nama spiritual attacks. Uthola ukuthi usiyahola sekugula ingane sekunjani sekunezinto nje ezenzakalayo. sekumele ukuthi imali ekhona. That's another story for another day esidinga ukuthi sinabe kuyo. Vele impilo ayidalwa ukuthi belula ngosidalo nje sayo nje. Avela ayikho lula. It's not easy to anybody. Noma ungabona umuntu ehamba ngemoto engakanani enomuzi ongakanani. Baba. Life is not easy to anybody. Idalwe kanjalo nje. Noma ngubani ukuthembisa ukuthi impilo ilula, yoza kimi ngizokwenzela impilo ibe lula baba. Ungavuma umuntu ekukhohlisa into engekho le. So into ebalulekile is to change habits and be realistic. Mawusebenza usebenzela phezulu kwamaphupho akho, kumele uunderstand kune discipline eningi okumele uyi-apply for your things to go according to your plans. Because awukwazi ukuthi wena ungathi unyaka uqala uthi wena ufuna ukuthenga imoto ngoDisemba. Uyazazi usebenza hola 5,000. Urenta 2.5. Vele suzisethile for ukufeyila lapho asoze uyikhona leyo nto. But ekugcineni ufuna uku-excuse manje uthi wena uloyiwe, ufuna uqambela iqinisa amanga. That's what makes us not to succeed. Siyathanda ukuqambela iqinisa amanga. Umuntu ahamba ayohlola ethi imali yalahleka but esazi ukuthi imali uyayiphuza etshwaleni or unamantombazana amaningi. So ufuna umprofit lwana ethini no? Ufuna ukuthi bakuloyile. Nawe impela uhamba usithi abaniloyile impela hayi baniloyile. Baba awuloyanga la wena, you just need to change your behavior and your habits. Finish. If imali ingena emantombazaneni yekela amantombazana phela. If imali eningi ispenda kalotshwaleni yehlisa phela otshwaleni. Makuvuma yekela musi. Makuvuma umuntu buyeke. That's the only thing you can do. Ungayohlola uyogezwa bekweqisa imlilo bekweqisa esihlahleni bakwenze yonke into laba bantu abahlolayo labenza yonke lento. Bakweqisa imfula bakumbathisa ingubo ebomvu lemnyama kuthiwe indwangu yani. Baba mongashi, if you don't change your habits uzohlala uyilento yona. Khohlwa baba noma ngathi uhambe kugogo ehlala ehlathini noma uhlala emfuleni. Khohlwa baba. Lapho singabheja imali iphathwe nguwe. Ngoba life is more spiritual but things are happening physical. So in a physical world, things must be done practically to give practical results, tangible things. Yabo. So iyo into ebalekile mfisa ukuthi abantu bayibuke enyakeni lo siyawuqala next week siyaqala umnyaka omusha. So unyaka omusha next week. So lezi inkulumo kumele sizikhulume ngoba ziyobasiza abanye, zisize nabantwana babo kusasa bengasekho bona. Ngoba mase singazikhulumi lezi zinto abantu balokho belahleka because uyathola umuntu esebenza ehola imali eyiblow imali ebhekile na ukuthi uyayiblowa mayisiphele sesithi loyi ufuna ukuyahlola into zakhe azihambi kahle. Ufuna ukuthi ayothola into ozabambelela kuyo to keep him comfortable of doing wrong. Yabo? Ufuna ukuthi kuyoqanjelwa iqinisa amanga ukuze yena feel comfortable ubathi uyaloywa kunomuntu omfisela umona emsebenzini and all those things. Yabo? Kodwa nomuntu engakufisela okubi but akabuye esikhwameni sakhe ezothatha imali yakho ayoyiblowa. Wena nguwe osuka endlini yakho uhambe uyoshela amantombi, uhambe uyothenga utshwala, uhambe uyothenga impahla ongazidingi, wenze yonke lento ezoqeda imali. Yabo? So I think we need to change that behavior to make a difference elifini. Sakhe ikusasa elingcono for abantwana bethu in that generation. Number 2, I think abantu abaningi they blame ipolitiki, abantu bethi politics iyasibhayizisa and all those things. Yes, iyakubhayizisa somewhere somehow. But noma ngathiwa izwe That's why even in America there are poor people. Yabo? Number one country okuthiwa yenza kahle economically. Yabo? There are poor people. Lokho kusifundisa ukuthini? Lokho kusho ukuthi isystem ekhona emhlabeni ngeke uyishintshe wena as a person. Even sisonke singama citizens asinayo icapacity to change the system, to change the whole system ukuthi sebenze on our favor kwezinye izinto. Ngisho nawe labo hlele ekhaya mongaba yipresident, there are things you can defend because they are beneficial to you. Even if they are not beneficial to other people, you can still defend that thing. Yabo. So that's why lento yempumelelo kuthiwa i-breakthrough. Kusho ukuthi you have to crack the system. Not ngokuthi etshontsha, crack i-system ukuthi etshontsha uzaboshwa phela kunamaphoyisa, kunama camera, kunayo yonke into laphandle uzoboshwa. You need to do something ezokwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukubreaka in that system, ukwazi ukusucceed under that system. Yabo. So even kudala, if you go back to amakhosi nani babehamba bethathela abanye inkomo, begwaza abanye imikhonto, bakuzele kuthiwa wona uyithreat lapha ebukhosini ubulawe, yabo. Kube nezinto nje eziningi ezazisenzakala. So this thing is not new. That's why you can go to any poor country that you can think of. Uyothola kunabantu abarich khona lapha, not abayizikhulu zikahulumende, people who have built their wealth through that system. Yabo. So it's very important sizikhulume lezi zinto. Ukwenzela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga zibasiza abanye. So into ebalulekileyo bafowethu, empilweni ungathanda uqambela iqinisa amanga. Into erongo okokuqala vele kahle kahle lento okuthiwa umuntu uyahlola enyangeni lani or ba profitini. Mina ngibona ngathi nje into engabalekanga nje emntwini. Umuntu nje iqiniso uyalazi ukuthi njengoba izinto sezihamba wrong kanje, wenzeni yena, ucontribute kuphi. Yabo. So bafowethu ngiyabonga lapha emakhaya, ukhisa umsomuhle, inyo yenhle silifisela konke okuhle bafowethu emakhaya. Siyabonga, siyanithanda kakhulu. Inkulumo lezi asizikhulumela ukuthi sifuna ilike noma sifuna imali noma sifunani, no. Sizikhulumela ukuthi mina kuyongijabulisa nje ngelinye ilanga ukuthi ngihlangane nomuntu athi ndoda yazi khona into owayikhulumayo ngelinye ilanga yangisiza namhlanje, my life is better. That's the purpose of these things, yabo. Yeah, because mangikhuluma mina ngisithi wena if you can go back your check ukuthi njengoba uyithola imali ususithi iyakuphephukela, hambe check ukuthi kukhona imali ebise bank accountini yakho yavuka ingekho, o wena nguwe o withdraw imali yakho, wathatha imali yakho waya endaweni ethile wayoyispenda. Kusasa mayingasekho ubusubuya futhi wena uthi imali iphephukile. Lapho usuqambela iqinisa amanga. Iqiniso kumele uthi hayi bafowethu imali ngiyayidlalisa. Usutshintsha ke phela ama habits. Uzabona imali sihlala phela, sikhula ku account yakho. So invest la kumele uinveste khona, and then the life becomes better. Siyabonga bafowethu, nisale kahle emakhaya.